give these guys some kind of information that would help them instead of just booting them off.
Hello YouTube and welcome back to my channel. On today's episode of Know Your Rights, we will be covering video from the YouTube channel Eyes on Washington. Please take a moment and head over to their YouTube channel and show them some love by subscribing to their channel. Today's video took place on April 6, 2022 in Auburn, Washington. The man in the video was out cop watching when he came across officers from the Auburn, Washington Police Department forcing homeless people to move from the side of a public street. As you will see in this video, the level of disdain shown towards these homeless people from the officers is very sad. Now, let's dive right into today's video and see how this plays out.
Bennett. Sea mast. Can you move your seatbelt? What's your badge number? What's your call number? What's your personal identification number? Your personal identification number. No, it's not. No, it's not. You're the only mast. Only mast in all of South King County. The only one in Auburn PD? All right. What about hers? What's her badge number or call number? What's her personal identification number? I know it's funny, isn't it? You violate people's rights and you think it's just great. What's your personal identification number? Remember, you guys work for me. I don't work for you. You're public servants. You work for them. Yeah, fuck you. Man, you guys should not be letting them do this to you. I'm standing up for you guys, just so you know. You shouldn't let them do this to you. You guys need to learn your rights. You have a right to park here. You don't have to move.
Well, they impound us every time we don't.
They can't. You need to learn, you need to research the law about it, so every time they try and do that, you show it to them. You tell them, no, fuck you, go away.
Did they arrest us?
Huh? They can't arrest you. And if they do, you file a lawsuit against them. And you win. You win money. They pay you. Then you won't have to stay out here. So, I mean, if you want, you can file a lawsuit against them for this. It's a 1983 U.S. 42, Section 1983, violation of rights under color of law. Every person, not just a citizen, has a right to be on any public street because we all own them. When you buy that drink, you pay tax on that drink. You pay taxes in the city. Mm-hmm. That means you own part of the road.
I want to take a moment and jump in and talk about one of the dumbest city ordinances around. Auburn City Council members passed Ordinance 6817 at a regularly scheduled meeting on April 19th. This ordinance prohibits camping on public city property. The ordinance, which generally affects Auburn's homeless encampment population, approves giving tickets with a monetary penalty generally and are not a deterrent when issued to homeless individuals, as they can't afford and will not pay it. When the tickets are not paid, it can lead to additional fines and impact a person's credit. Often these tickets go to debt collections, hindering the ability of the person to get a job or housing. Also, the ordinance authorized individuals to be jailed up to 90 days. I just scratch my head because these people are already down on their luck and the city is actually fining them or putting them in jail, instead of connecting them with resources to help them turn their lives around.
Bye-bye. Go do something, you know, that actually counts. Why don't you guys go do something that actually helps the community? How about you guys give these guys some kind of information that would help them instead of just booting them off the street that like they also own.
Like offer them services every week? Like that?
That or fucking give them some money. Give them money out of your own pocket.
We've done that for 2 years.
Yeah, you haven't actually. Every time I see you guys are booting them out of here. You guys think you're doing something good, except you're just kicking them off the street. How good do you feel about that?
Enforcing the laws?
What law? What law says they can't be there?
I just gave you a piece of paper.
No, how about you just tell me?
It's,
why don't you just explain it to me?
The vehicle's not registered, it can't be on the city street.
Really?
Really.
It's not registered, so it can't be on the street?
Correct.
The public street that everybody owns?
Correct. There's still ordinance.
Is that a city ordinance?
Yes, it is.
That's not a law.
Yeah.
That's an ordinance.
Still a law.
That's not a crime. You can't tell them to move their fucking car because of a city ordinance. It's not a law. You guys are worthless. Hey, if you guys want to see the video, it'll be on Eyes on Washington. Huh?
Call me real quick.
No, don't know anybody here.
Call me real quick.
What's that?
Call me real quick. I can get one later.
It's just look on Eyes on Washington.
Well, YouTube, I hope you liked this video. And please remember and go over and check out Eyes on Washington's YouTube channel and show him some love by subscribing to his channel. If you like this video and you want to see more videos like this one, please consider subscribing to my channel. Until the next episode of Know Your Rights, stay safe out there.